Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to put on the forced defrost on a Samsung refrigerator. So I have the Samsung RF263AERS model, but this will work on any kind of Samsung refrigerator that has this control board at the top here. So all you're going to do is hit the power freeze and the fridge at the same time and hold for 10 seconds. Once it clicks on like that, you just hit the fridge again until you get to your FD mode and it'll start beeping. And that'll run the forced defrost for about 30 to 40 minutes. And when it's done, it'll stop beeping. That's it.